Planning to cancel your Korean Air flight and hoping for a refund? First, carefully review Korean Air's cancellation policy. This is crucial for understanding your refund eligibility, which depends on your ticket type and the timing of your cancellation. For cancellation, you have two main options. The easiest method is usually online. Visit the Korean Air website or use their mobile app to manage your booking. Make sure you have your booking reference handy. If online isn't working, consider calling their customer service directly. Prepare your booking information for a smooth process. Refunds, if applicable, are processed in line with the fair rules associated with your ticket. Processing times for refunds can vary significantly. Therefore, be patient. Always confirm the cancellation and refund details with Korean Air. Finally, keep all records of your cancellation and refund requests. Korean Air cancellation policy explained. Call 1-855-547-0830 for help.